Hi ladies, welcome to my channel Flourish and Thrive with you for the empowerment to heal, to thrive, and to flourish after living a toxic relationship. So today's episode is basically for women who are just left a toxic relationship and they are feeling low on self-confidence and self-esteem. So today's episode is actually a confidence booster. Being in a toxic relationship can leave you feeling drained and exhausted. And leaving a toxic relationship can shake you to the core that you begin to question your self-worth and your identity due to the constant gaslighting, emotional manipulation, controlling behavior, lack of respect you had to put up with. And you begin to have thoughts like, am I good enough? Will I be able to find love? Will anyone be able to love me? I want to tell you something today. Your self-worth is not defined by any relationship. I repeat again, your self-worth is not defined by any relationship. Your confidence and your self-worth is defined by you and it lives inside of you. It is not an external source, it is an internal source and it starts with you. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Elizabeth Ampini. I am a life and spirituality coach, a relationship consultant, and I love helping women heal from the trauma of an abusive relationship to help them find happiness in life and in love. So if you're ready to reclaim your self-confidence and increase your self-esteem, stay with me to the end of this video. And I promise you by the end of this video, you will feel more empowered, motivated, and ready to do again. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified when I make a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing 4 ways you can actually regain your self-confidence and break free from the shackles of limiting beliefs and low self-esteem, and become the happy, resilient woman you've always wanted to be. So let's get started. Rebuilding your self-confidence after living a toxic relationship takes time. So you have to be gentle, kind, and patient with yourself. You didn't get there in one day. So it's not going to take a day for you to rebuild your self-confidence. You need to give it time. You need to pamper yourself, be gentle on yourself. Understand that you are on your path to freedom. So when you're in a toxic relationship, you get used to the constant criticism, the negativity, the beginning words, and you begin to believe them. You believe all the things that they say about you, and that's what crashes your self-confidence. But the good news is that today you are coming out of those things that you thought about yourself. They are not true. It is a perception of your abuser. It is not true fear. So everything I'll be taking you today, there are things that are tried myself, they have worked for me. When I was in a toxic relationship, I was in a toxic relationship for 6 months out of it. But because I didn't learn the first time, I had to go into it the second time. And the second time, I learned the hard way. So these things I'm going to tell you today, are the things that I have tried and they work for me. And I pray that they will always also work for you too. So you might feel shaky at the beginning of this exercise when you start doing those things. But I want you to understand that you need to be patient and you need to believe in yourself that you can do it. No matter how shaky you might be, I want you to just stay calm, be gentle on yourself, be kind to yourself, and believe in yourself. So the first step to rebuilding your self-confidence after you've left the toxic relationship is for you to feel and process the pain. By feeling and processing the pain, I mean you are allowed to grieve. It is normal and okay to grieve. You can grieve the pain, but what is not normal is for you to stay so long in the grieving stage. No, that's not normal. It is allowed, it's okay for you to come to acknowledgement that yes, there is this pain. I feel this pain, that this pain is here. And for you to say, I am bigger than this pain. This pain is here, but I am stronger than this pain, and I'm going to overcome this pain. And you begin to take actionable steps that will help you move out of that pain. So, what are the things you can do to start processing your feelings and letting it out? is by taking a pen and a book and begin to journal down your thoughts. I remember that one of the things I did, writing down my emotions, writing down what I felt, and after I finish out writing it, I will look at it, squeeze the paper, and light a thought and tell myself, this is a part of me I don't want to see anymore. And it was really helpful for me. It was really helpful for me. Another thing you can actually do is to surround yourself with people who uplift you and motivate you. They can be your friends, they can be your family, they can be someone you trust. It's not everybody you can trust with your emotions. So you sit down and you talk with them. You talk how you feel. They will understand you and not judge you or condemn you. So you have to be picking the kind of people you can actually talk to. People that are ready to learn a helping hand, that are ready to give you a shoulder to cry on. That's the second thing you can do. And the last thing you can actually do is to talk to a professional. You can talk to a therapist. You can talk to a relationship coach. You can talk to a psychologist, anybody who specializes in helping you to heal and to regain by your self-confidence is who you should talk to. So these are the three things I did back then. I still remember I did them back then. It was not an easy time for me, but I stood firm on my guts that I am coming out of this and I am becoming the better version of myself. So I want you to say this affirmation with me. I am allowed to grieve, but I'm not allowed to stay in this pain. I am allowed to grieve, and I will not stay in this pain. I am allowed to grieve, and I will not stay in this pain. So, and the second thing you need to do to rebuild your self-confidence after living a toxic relationship is to redefine your worth. This is a time of introspection. This is a time of reflection. You need to sit down and remember what you used to be before you went into that relationship. It's about reaffirming your worth, what you used to be. You need to take your mind off what you really are right now and begin to take your mind to what you used to be in the past before you actually went into that relationship. From what you can remember about yourself, you now begin to reaffirm those things you know about yourself that has been buried. So you sit down to introspect, to come to remember beautiful things about yourself, to remember good things about yourself, and you start to take actionable goals to actually become that person once again. So some of the things I did that helped me to reaffirm my worth was I did a lot of affirmations back then after I had remembered who I really used to be. So one of the things you can do is when you wake up in the morning, I still do it up to now. When I wake up in the morning, I pick my pen and my book and I write 5 things I love about myself. So you can also do the same thing. You can pick your pen and your book and write down 5 things that you love about yourself. And I assure you it works. It really works. It takes your mind off all the negative comments you said about yourself, all the things that your abuser said about you. The only thing your abuser wants to achieve is to have control over your life. But for the fact that you are breaking free from what your abuser says about you and you're remembering who you used to be before you met him is a step worth celebrating. So you write down those 5 things you love about yourself. Then go to the next stage by standing in front of the mirror. Look at yourself in front of the mirror. Smile at yourself in the mirror and begin to reaffirm those things you have written about yourself. Reaffirm it to yourself, looking at yourself in the mirror. You can also have like saying what I am beautiful, I am loving, I am progressive, I am strong, I am resilient, this is not going to put me down, I know I am enough. You can say all these things to yourself. It's just a way for you to redefine yourself and understand that you are not what they say that you are. You are better than that, you are good more than that. So I want you to repeat this affirmation with me. I am enough. just as I am. Again, I am enough just as I am. I am enough just as I am. So the top thing you need to do to rebuild your self-confidence after living a toxic relationship is for you to create a vision for the future. This is a time for you to begin to do some creation. Creation happens in two ways. First in the mind, then the second is reality. So you create things for it. So this is the time for you to sit down in a quiet place and begin to imagine. You need to use the tool of imagination and visualization in this stage. So you need to imagine the person you want to be in the next 6 months, maybe in the next month, in the next 4 months, in the next 6 months, in the next 8 months, in the next 1 year, in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years. You need to envision it. You need to think about it. You need to take your mind away from whatever the circumstances you're seeing right now and begin to project into your future. What do you want to become? Do you want to become a strong, resilient woman that can overcome all challenges? Do you want to have a loving man, a man who's going to love you for who you are, who's going to appreciate you, who's going to give you all the joy that you ever wish for? Or do you want to buy a new house? Do you want to have money? Do you want to become a CEO? Anything you wish to do, you create it in your mind. You create it in your mind. I'm going to repeat it again. Creation happens in two ways. First is in the mind. The mind is the blueprint. Then you now come to taking actionable steps to make your blueprints become your reality. So after you finish visualizing, you need to take actionable steps to actually achieve your goal. You can start by creating a vision board. A vision board helps you to keep you in focus and to remind you of the things you want to do. So you can sit down and create a vision board of what you want to do. So when you wake up in the morning, this is what you see every morning. It reminds you that this is what I want to accomplish in the next 2 months. This is what I want to accomplish in the next 10 years. This is what I want to accomplish in the next 5 years. So it keeps you focused and it gives you the strength to keep moving forward. And the last thing you need to do to rebuild your self-confidence living a toxic relationship is for you to focus on yourself. Focus on your personal goals. Focus on your personal development. It is time for you to take the book by the own and understand that you are the one in the driver's seat and you have to take charge of your life. So you begin to set goals based on the vision you've had and based on the vision board you have created. You begin to set goals, actionable goals that you can take. You don't have to let it be a big rush. You know you are still fragile, so you need to take it step by step. Take baby step, one step at a time. Don't rush, even when when you're actually actualizing the goal, you might actually fail or you might be shaky. Don't despair. Stay calm and start all over again. You will find out with time if you give yourself time, give yourself the patience, give yourself the love and the pathway, you will begin to actualize results that will actually take you to the next step and what you really want to be. So focus on personal development. You might read books, you might actually go for a course, you might actually start new hobbies, anything that will train this mind, anything that will train this mind to become strong, that will train this mind to become resilient, to bounce back from every difficulty. It should be what you should invest into. Anything that will make you grow, anything that will make you become more better than what you used to be. That's what you should focus your attention to. You've already set the vision, you've already had a vision board. Now it's time for you to set the goals. And once you've set the goal, now it's time for you to take it actionable step. Don't stop learning. It's important. Don't stop learning. You need to keep learning. Learn from books. Learn from people. Learn from social media. Don't waste your time into social media to watch things that will remind you about your past. But go to social media to learn things that will help you to focus on your vision, to focus on what you want to become. And I tell you that if you can persevere and stay calm, you would actually become that better version of yourself. So in all things, actively working towards becoming a better version of yourself or rebuilding your self confidence is you having enough trust in yourself that you can do this, that you can make this happen. So you need to be patient and kind with yourself, and don't judge yourself when you have a setback. You need to keep pushing forward. You need to keep moving on. And again, building your self confidence is not just about being a different person. You're not being a different person. You are actually remembering who you used to be before you entered into that sort of relationship. And you are working towards it actively to regain back yourself and become more better and become resilient. So that's the whole aim of rebuilding your own self confidence. It's not about becoming somebody else, but becoming who you used to be before you met the toxic partner. So we come to the end of this video today, ladies. I hope this video has really been helpful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with whoever needs it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.